Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can find the location of an Airbnb property if you're looking to book it or if you're just being curious. The navigation is the same whether you do it from a computer or from their phone app. Once you've done the basic search criteria, it will show you the results. And let's say if you want to find the location of this property, you will click on it. That will open up the listing page. By default, it doesn't show you the location here in the top. Now, there are two places where you can find the location. As you start scrolling down, once this headline passes through the viewpoint, you will see a separate menu pops up here, which contains the location. The key thing here is you need to scroll down a bit. If I scroll up, you will see that menu bar has now disappeared. So as soon as you go past this title, you will see this menu pops up, and all you need to do is click on the location, and that will open up the location of the property on the map. Now, depending on the privacy settings which have been chosen by the host, they may choose to show the precise location of the property. For example, in this case, the host has chosen to show the precise location of the property. So you can literally zoom down and it will show you exactly where the property is on the map. But on the other hand, if the host had chosen to show just an approximate location of the property, you will see this big circle, which means the property is somewhere in this circle, but you won't be able to pinpoint exactly where the property is in this big circle. There is another way you can just literally find the location without having to worry about finding that bar. You just keep scrolling down until you reach the bottom, and this is where you will see where you will be, the location of the property. And again, the same rule applies whether the host has chosen to show the precise location or just a general location of the property. And if you're in any doubt, you can always message the host. If you scroll further down, you will see the host profile image and all their reviews. And here is the button, which is message host. Just click on this message host, and then you can type your message to the host, asking them for the location details or any other detail you want to find from the host. Keep in mind, you will need to choose a check-in and check-out date before it will allow you to send a message to the host. So in summary, it's fairly easy once you know where to go to find the location of any property on Airbnb. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video or something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.